Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. You have to start by open TOZO application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. After that you will see the same menu, and we need to go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have OTA update, and right here you have your current version. So you can check it here, or you can enter here, check for updates, and also at the top you can check your software version. Firmware version is the same as software. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.